Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Molly. This is my channel where we talk about sewing, crafts, and fun, and today we are doing a new episode of Alteration Nation, which is a reoccurring show where I take items that I already have in my closet and alter them so that they fit me better. A bit more of my style vibe. Basically, it's a thrift flip, but we already have the clothes. Today's alteration is going to be this mint green t-shirt. I don't wear it because it completely splits open at the sides. It's just a weird top, baby. Anyways, so the plan is to sew up the sides and add a cute little Peter Pan collar. Hopefully I will be inspired to wear this again. Let's get started. Yeah, not great. I don't feel pretty with this like flowy thing in front, and then in the back it's so long, like it covers my whole tuchus. I've taken out the overlapping sleeve seams and now I'm going to sew them back together here and then find the spot to sew them down the sides. I feel like it's just a constant battle to fill my basement with as much light as possible so that I don't look like a corpse when I talk to you, but we do what we can. I'm going to take these pieces, turn them inside out, press them after clipping curves, and then we are going to figure out how to attach them to the top. I tried this on once, and it's already covered in glitter. Marked it as my own. It's huge. I think I know why this happened. So the pattern I'm using does have a fairly large collar, but it is supposed to stop at the shoulder seam. Since this collar was not made for this shirt, it is much wider in the back. It doesn't go across the back all the way. So I think the fact that this used to... So I think because this actually is supposed to have a facing that goes with it, you're probably supposed to stitch this along further in to the garment than I did, and it would have been better if it covered up the back as well. So I'm trying to decide if I want to keep using this collar and just try and resew it, or drafting one that is a more reasonable size off of this blouse itself. I'm going to take the collar off and mull over my options. Hey there, I was going to apologize for the light since it's so dark in here, but actually maybe it's okay. I don't know. I have a migraine right now, and that is why we are filming in the dark. So I hope that you can see at least a little bit of this. Anyways, we have the two new collar pieces done. I'm going to try and figure out a way to pin them onto the shirt so that they will sit nicely. We'll see if they go all the way around. Last time we had that big gap in the back, and I'm not sure if that's gonna happen again. I did want to look at some of my items that already had collars on them, like this one dress that I'm wearing now. It looks like it's just got a band that goes all the way around. I spilled some LaCroix on myself. And it's like that on the inside too. I'm thinking maybe I just sew to the outside and then put some bias tape on the inside of the shirt. I'll update you as we go. The daylight is gone. Hello. feeling a little bit better. I have stitched the collar to the shirt and it looks okay. I have not tried this on yet because I don't want to take off the dress I'm wearing. That feels like too much work. But this is what we're working with. So far, it looks much more reasonably sized than the first try. So I'm a happy bean. But it's kind of ugly. Like the front, you can see the ziggy zags underneath. I think that will be fine except for this one part at the very front. Right in there, I might put some black fabric underneath. And then the inside of this is a messy boy. Look at all that. So we started with straight stitches, but then, wait for it, we went into zigzags because I was so low on fabric. I did not pay any attention to grain lines, and this is now very stretchy. What we're gonna do is take some bias tape and just hand sew it on the inside of the collar to make it a little bit tidier. Give this a good press so that the collar kind of stands up more on its own, and then I think we will be done. Alright, so we're just gonna do a quick little wrap up here. I really love how this came out. I am having a little bit of trouble styling it. Like, okay, it goes with black skirts and white, but I'm not really sure what else. This was just the skirt I had on today, so I threw it on to model this shirt with. If anyone has any suggestions, please let me know. I'm thinking about hemming it. It is still very long in the back, and that just feels a little bit silly. But otherwise, I think this project is done, and I am extremely happy with how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching today. We will have more videos coming out soon, so feel free to subscribe and click the like button. Be brave and do your best. Thank you. Bye!